Hey everyone, it's Daniel Brother Barbaris. Sometimes Microsoft releases a preview or out of band update. So let me show you this here. Windows Updates Explained. And you can see there are regular monthly security updates known as Patch Tuesday updates. Then there are optional non-security preview releases. And then there are those that are out of band. These releases may be provided to fix a recently identified issue or vulnerability. They are used in atypical cases, such as security vulnerabilities or quality issue when devices should be updated immediately instead of waiting for the next monthly quality update release. Out-of-band releases are cumulative, meaning that they include the updates from the previous security and/or non-security release, as well as the additional fix. So I'm going to show you how to import these directly into our SUP or WSUS, okay? So we can actually close our CM configuration manager here. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to this website here where it says import updates into WSUS using Windows PowerShell. Now, usually back in the day, we used to do this directly with Internet Explorer, but since Internet Explorer is deprecated, we can no longer do that. So Microsoft released this PowerShell script. Now, in this PowerShell script, there's a note here at the bottom, and it says, on error, try enabling TLS, where we're going to do that anyway. So let's go here where it says copy. We're going to copy that. Click on Start, our Notepad++. Go to Edit, Paste, File, Save As. And we're going to save that in our scripts directory. We're going to call that Import Update to WSUS. Paste that there, click Save. We can close Notepad++, and we can close Edge. Now what we're going to do is we're going to right-click on our terminal down here. We're going to click Windows PowerShell. We're going to set our location to the scripts directory. We'll run that TLS portion of the script and restart those services. So copy from 43 down to 57. Paste that there. Give that a moment to load. And there we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to import the newest update, which is a preview update, into WSUS. Now, what I can show you is, if we go to Windows Catalog and I say 042025 cumulative update, we'll say 24H2X64, search, you can see this 5059087. And if you click download, you'll notice there's an update ID up here. Okay, and that's the one we're going to be importing, the cumulative update preview for Windows 11. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll grab this command. We're using our WSUS server CM01, port number 8531 because it's SSL, and the update ID. All right, there we go. And attempting to import should be good. And now we can type exit. We'll open up Configuration Manager here from the console. Go to Software Library, expand Software Updates, go to All Software Updates, and up here we're going to click Synchronize Software Updates. Then click Yes, right-click on Run, or Start, Run, and we're going to go to our WSync Manager log, copy this, OK. What we're waiting on is we're waiting on synchronizing WSUS server, which is right there, starting WSUS synchronization, there we go, and synchronizing updates. Boom, there it is right there. And now what we'll do is it's going to go down here. It's going to say waiting for 120 seconds for the updates to become available. And then once that's done, it'll go this wait for done synchronizing and sync succeeded. So I'll come back when the sync is succeeded. You can see the sleeping 120 or more seconds for WSUS server sync results become available. I'll see you in about 2.5 minutes. Okay, and sync succeeded, setting up sync alert to canceled state on site PS1. We're good there. We can close CM Trace here. Now we're going to go to Software Update Groups over here. We'll double click on our CM Lab Software Update Group. What we're going to do is we're going to look at these superseded updates, which are yellow. If you see any yellow or X's, we're going to right click on those, edit membership, and uncheck the box here. Do the same thing on all three of these. You can see the first one was a cumulative update, and the second one was Edge and Edge Web View. Okay, so we've done that. Now we're going to go to all software updates, and under the Add Criteria drop-down, we'll go down to Product, click Add. I'm going to click here and go down to Windows 11, just like so. In the search bar, I'm going to type 24H2X64 and click Search. You'll see our cumulative update preview that we imported. We'll right-click that, edit membership, CM Lab Software Update Group, click OK. We'll go to our search bar, erase all, and we're going to go down to Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Right up here, click Search, and we'll do the top one here, Security Intelligence Update, edit membership, there we go. And now what we're going to do is we're going to expand our Microsoft Edge management, go to all Microsoft Edge updates. In the search bar, we'll type X64 and click Search. You're going to look for the newest web view, which is here. Right click, edit membership, there we go, CM Lab. And then we're going to look for the Microsoft Edge stable channel version, which is right above it. There we go, edit membership, CM Lab Software Update Group, OK. Go back to Software Update Groups. Click on CM Lab Software Update Group. And then down here, the Deployments tab, click that. We're going to right-click each one of these deployments and click Delete, yes. Right-click, delete, yes. Okay. And now what we're going to do is we're going to right-click, click Download. Click on Browse, choose the CM Lab Update Deployment Package, OK. Next, 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 next. And we'll come back when that's done downloading, and I'll click Close. OK, and that's done. So we click Close here. Now we're going to do our deployments. So right-click, Deploy. Click on Browse, all desktop and server clients, OK. Go all the way through here to next, then we'll see selected deployment package, click Browse, CM Lab Update Deployment Package, OK. We're down here. There we go, all the way down to the bottom. And once that's done, we'll do our all unknown computers for our OSD. So click Deploy, Browse, all unknown computers, OK. All the way to the end here. Perfect. Click Close. Let's go to PC002, which is our only Windows 11 machine. So we're going to open up our terminal from the taskbar. We're going to wait 5 minutes or 300 seconds. There we go. And we'll come back in 295 seconds. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're going to run our invoked actions. There we go. Perfect. Exit. Let's go to CM01. We're going to go to Assets and Compliance. Go to Devices. We're going to click, then right-click on PC002. We're going to Client Notification. And we'll evaluate our software update deployments. Click OK. Then we'll go back to PC002. I'm going to click on Start our Software Center. And we'll give that a few minutes. And we should see, there it is. There's our cumulative update. Okay. Software changes are required. Here's our cumulative update preview. We'll click on that. Click Stall. There we go. And we're waiting for our status down here to change to installing. And I'll come back when it says installed. Okay. Okay, you can see here, status is now installing. So we're just waiting for it installed. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back, and now it says restart required. So we're going to click on restart. There we go. And your computer must be restarted. We're going to click restart one more time. And we'll come back when this is at the logon screen. You can see it's doing the your 30% there, etc. So I'll see you then. Okay, we're at the logon screen. Control-Alt-Insert. Let's type in our password. And what you'll notice here, we're going to wait our 90 seconds, but I want to show you something. You'll see our build number here. Once BG Info loads, you'll see this build number change to the newer build number here in a moment. So I'll wait for that before I do the timeout. So timeout T90. Give that a few moments. There it is, 3781. Okay, so click OK, and I'll be back in 90 seconds. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's open up our terminal from the taskbar here. We're going to do our time sync and then our invoke actions, just like so. Paste that. Give that a few moments to load. Exit. And now we're updated. 3781, CM01, and you now have the newest preview update for Windows 11 imported into your WSUS SUP. All right, and that's pretty much it for this video. I'll see you in the next. Talk to y'all later.